we are coming on question number 7th of exercise 3.3. It's B part. Question number 7th. Find B. Its first part 5 by 8 of 3 5 by 6. 5 by 8 in place of we will use sign of multiplication. Again this 3 5 by 6 it is given in mixed fraction. We'll convert it into simple fraction. For converting it into simple fraction, the denominator 6 will be multiplied by the whole number 3 and to their product we will add 5 upon 6. Now see here, this 5 by 8 it will remain as such 5 by 8. Then 6 3s are here, it is 18. 18 plus 5 upon 6. 5 by 8 it will remain as such 5 by 8. 18 plus 5 it is 23 by 6. Now numerator will be multiplied by numerator and denominator will be multiplied by denominator. So 5 will be multiplied by 23 and 8 will be multiplied by 6. 5 when get multiplied by 23 we are getting 115 and 8 multiplied by 6 we are getting 48. Again it is an improper fraction, so we'll convert it into mixed fraction. For converting it into mixed fraction, the numerator will be divided by denominator. So 115 will be divided by 48. 48 2s are 96. When 96 subtracted from 115 we are getting 19. So 19 is remainder, 2 is quotient, 48 is divisor. When we have to write it in the form of mixed fraction is Q R by D. Quotient we have got is 2, so here it is 2. In place of remainder we have got 19, so in place of R there is 19 and denominator or divisor that will remain same, that is 48. After this, its second part. In second part we have to find out 5 by 8 of 9 2 by 3. 9 by 2 9 2 by 3 it is in mixed fraction, we have to convert it into simple fraction. In place of we have to put sign of multiplication. So 5 by 8 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 9, the denominator 3 will be multiplied by the whole number 9 plus 2. 2 will be added to the product of 3 and 9 upon 3. Now see here 5 by 8, this 5 by 8 it will remain as such. Then 3 9s are 3, this 3 9s are 27 plus 2 upon 3. Now 5 by 8 plus 27 plus 2 it is 29 by 3. 5 by 8 multiplied by 29 by 3. Numerator will be multiplied by numerator and denominator will be multiplied by denominator. So 8 will get multiplied by 3 and 5 will get multiplied by 29. Then on multiplying 29 by 5 we are getting 145 and 8 multiplied by 3 we are getting 24. Again the numerator is more than the denominator, so it is an improper fraction. We have to convert it into mixed fraction. 145 will be divided by 24. 24 6 are, it is 144 and remainder we are getting is 1. Quotient 6, remainder 1 and divisor is 24. We'll convert it into mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is Q R by D. In place of Q we'll write down 6 as we have got here quotient 6. In place of remainder we'll write down 1 and divisor or denominator that will remain same, that is 24 in this case. Now after this we are coming on question number 8. See here question number 8. First go through the question, what the question says. Question number 8. Question number 8 of exercise 2.2. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that consumed 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water and Pratap consumed the remaining water. First part is how much water did Vidya drink? And second part is what fraction of the total quantity of the water did Pratap drink? See here in a question, their mother gave them a water bottle and the capacity of water bottle is 5 liter. So capacity of water bottle is 5 liter, it contains 5 liter of water. And Vidya consumed 2 by 5 part of it. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of 5 liter water. So in first part we have to find out how much water did Vidya drink. First we will do this, and then second part is what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drink. Let's see how we'll solve it. See question number 8. Capacity of a bottle it is given as 5 liter and then Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. It means 2 by 5 of the water means 2 by 5 of 5 liter. So 2 by 5 will get multiplied by 5 liter. 5 in the numerator and 5 in the denominator will be cancelled out using table of 5. So we'll get 1 there. Then 2 will be multiplied by 1 and 1 will be multiplied by 1. 2 ones are 2 and 1 ones are 1. It can 2 upon 1 can be written as 2 liters. So Vidya consumed 2 liter water out of 5 liter. So Pratap, remaining water Pratap drinks. So Pratap drinks total capacity of water, that is 5 liter. Vidya drink 2 liters. So 5 minus 2 liter is equal to 3 liter. 3 liter of water Pratap drinks. Now we have to find out this 3 liter, it is how much fraction of 5 liter. Let Pratap consumed X fraction of total water. It means according to question, X fraction of 5, X into 5. Total water, total capacity of water is 5 liters. So X into 5, it is equal to 3 liters. Or we have to find out X. So 5, we have taken this from left hand side, we have taken it to the right hand side. So it will divide 5. So fraction consumed by Pratap is 3 by 5 liter of the total water. Thank you. That's all for today.